Peyton, what are you doing? Peyton, what are you doing? Are you going to sleep? No, you're not? PJ. What are you doing? You don't know? PJ, are you going tonight? You're not? Are you awake? Are you awake? PJ, are you going tonight? No? Oh my gosh, did you see that elephant? You didn't? Did you see that giraffe? No? Did you see that race car? No? Do you love mommy? No?
Baba.
You want a baba? Oh, are you gonna give me? Okay, we better go now because we disturbed the peace too much. Okay. Love you. Love you.